What's up? Now time for the final test.
As we were saying, so I got these Brownells Black Rifle Coffee Company coffee bags, Retro Joe Molon Kafe. And so here's Brownell's name things serious about firearms since 1939. And yeah, the cool one about this Retro Joe one is right here on the side. It shows like a few, some like the old rifles. There's the M16A one, there's the AR-10, and then this one right here. I'm assuming it's like the XM177 because of the muzzle brake on it. So I could be wrong. It could be something else. And this one just says Brownells, and over here says two things about these guys selling this coffee. Portion of our profits go to veteran, law enforcement, fire, and first responder causes. So that's pretty cool, right there. So all the the coffee that they sell, part of that money goes to all of these guys.
To all the military people.
Yeah, veterans, law enforcement, firefighters.
Damn, I know what to get my homie then. He is a veteran.
And so yeah, really excited about that. I saw that video from Brownells on YouTube when they first introduced them, and I was like, I need to get those. And so yeah, because I love coffee. That's one of my life essentials. And so let's see. You, the one who brought the coffee maker, get over here.
Okay. Ooh.
Okay, so I'm still not using this thing, but so this is to put like basically customized coffee, right?
Yes.
So like, do you think we could put that in here?
Yes, you could. It's ground coffee.
Okay, great. Oh, I also thought these would be like coffee beans, and I thought I had to like ground them myself because I do have a grinder. But no, I felt them in like, I think they're like already grounded.
Oh, so, yeah. Yeah. Then you'll be fine then.
Oh wait, I forgot. It says right here on the bag too that we could do the pour over method. So I'm assuming like put the coffee in the cup and then pour hot water over it.
Right. You could do that, but
yeah, it says right here drip or pour over method.
I mean, either way, you're still using hot water on this thing right here, anyways.
You're right.
So you can just pour in.
So do we just put the coffee in the cup and then let the thing heat up the water?
Yeah.
All right.
You can do that.
So that's what we're gonna do. What do you guys want to try first, Retro Joe or Molon Kafe?
I'm really up for the Retro Joe.
Yeah, me too. I'll take that one.
I like this one too because it has like a vintage design on it,
yeah.
like a straight up 60s fucking ad thing. Like it's
Retro
like it's one of those things.
And then we'll do the Molon Kafe.
The interruption again. We got the water heated. So now let's open up Retro Joe over here. And pour some of it inside these cups. Oh yeah, by the way, my mom broke the government cup.
Oh what?
The Washington DC one.
Did you buy another one?
I'm probably someday. I might buy something that has something like Second Amendment related. Let me open this.
Just open
it apart.
Yeah, just tear it apart like that.
There you go.
Or we could just open it with my bayonet.
Yeah, but it won't fit in here anyways.
Like someone's gonna have to hold that shit.
Which we won't have time for that. Smells good.
Whoa, shit. What's that?
Mm-hmm.
It woke the room.
Like, whoa.
It woke the room.
That's good. That's a good sign.
What are you going to try to
Oh
do?
my god.
Just a bit.
Alright.
I mean, I feel like.
As long as I could go this.
I don't think you would.
Well, then
Alright,
I'm gonna put
let's try this first, and then we'll try with the K cup.
And I'll put this in the whole night now.
Careful.
Yeah, And this water's gonna have to heat up a bit because it's already been there for a while. Oh wait, there's something here.
That's the strongest.
I mean, you gotta
yeah.
remove that.
It's gonna be Brownells coffee and Starbucks.
Oh wait, you know what? I'm gonna send this to my friend right now. Yeah, you can put the picture, the other one, that one. I wanna get a gringo for him. I'm gonna text him.
Wait, no. I put the wrong size.
Okay, then
It's gonna overflow.
Yeah, you gotta make the switch.
Well, it's
Oh,
late
actually, or
already.
just let it. Okay, once it overflows or is about to overflow, just take it out, but
Yeah.
slowly.
I mean, unless this is big enough to actually take all of that.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Wow, you fit it in there.
Maybe just a little mix. That way it will.
Pour over method. Are you sure about that, Brownells and Black Rifle Coffee Company?
I mean, there's no wrong way to do it as long as you brew coffee. That's it.
No, that's wrong.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
You could see the weird.
All right, we gotta do it. The Curate cup.
Like you know what the
yeah.
Well, that's a waste of coffee.
Okay, so we fucked that one up. So we're gonna use the K cup. Hopefully this works.
It's now, so we'll put the phone down, guys.
And the turtle's over here looking at us like, what the fuck is it doing?
So it's like, what's wrong with you? I don't know. So I'm not phone turtles.
That one my mom calls it Juana.
Juan.
Yeah. Pancho is the one outside.
Oh, the tortoise?
Yeah, the second.
Wait, it's a female?
This one?
Yeah.
I don't know, but that's what my mom calls it.
You could see from the bottom part from the private.
I rather not. I forgot. Am I supposed to take? Yes.
Yes, you do.
Just
And then you gotta take out.
Oh yeah, huh? This.
Yeah, you gotta take that inner piece out.
Oh yeah, my
we
veteran
pushed-
friend is replying back.
Hey, dude, that's sick. How do you?
I mean, you gotta.
There we go.
Yeah.
Push it from the bottom. Oh my god, dude, that sucks.
I know, but I mean,
Right.
it's a learning experience. I mean, once we fuck
I mean,
up,
I'm gonna buy more anyways, probably someday. Am I not doing this right?
you gotta match it. Yeah, like that.
It's like this?
Facing forward. The logo facing forward. Wait. Yeah. They're the arrows.
Wait, where's the arrows again?
I mean, this is the arrow right
Oh
here.
yeah. This way then?
Yeah.
I was doing it like that.
No. I mean, it's supposed to be facing. I mean, yeah, that's supposed to face like that. Yes.
It just fits like that?
Yeah, it just sits like that. Or I mean, there you go.
I
No.
mean, I hope.
Taste test.
Take two. Not round two.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah, that
That looks better.
might work.
Look at that steam.
Oh yeah, that smells a lot better. That smells like the first one. It wasn't taking out like too much smoke. Yeah, I think this is gonna work. I think this is how you do it. Make sure you use the K cup.
Yeah.
If you're using whoa,
Yeah,
ground
big draw. Dude.
ground coffee, or like you're like blending your own stuff, use the K cup. Don't just put it in the cup and expect it to work.
Yeah. Unless you're about to eat maruchan.
Yeah, that shit is fucking dark as fuck.
It's not too dark actually.
Like light brown dark.
Or
It's like the Dunkin'
Yeah.
Donuts shit. Wait. Once we're done with the first one, what do we do? Do we wash it out and then use it again?
Yeah, you do that, or just try to brew it again. I mean, like with the K cups, When we first. Fuck.
Okay, welcome back. Okay, so it's Sunday now, and we're finally gonna do the second part of this video. So the next coffee is we're gonna look at is the Molon Latte one, the Molon Kafe. Come and drink it right there by Brownells and Black Rifle Coffee Company. So this one says it's stronger. So
Oh fuck.
right there on the back,
fuck.
that's like a.
What caliber is that? What do you think? Oh, that sound again.
I would assume
It looks like a fucking.
308.
Yeah, look.
maybe?
I was about to say 308.
Somewhere around there.
Because this looks like a. I'm pretty sure that's 556,
Okay.
223, 308, 300 blackout, and then 50
Or that
BM.
could,
Well,
or that could be
for rifle, right?
7.62 by 39.
Yeah.
And this could be 308. I don't know.
I want to try the 50 BMG next time. I don't know. That thing is gonna kill
That
me.
could be a 338 too.
It looks like a 50 BMG.
So,
Alright, this okay.
Finally got up on it.
All right.
Did you bow?
No.
It looks like you just bowed. Like.
I'm like, without further ado, let's get started. Let's start up. Let it run.
Did I open it for it?
Yeah. Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I'll be sleeping for sure tonight with that shit.
There we go.
Sleep is for the weak. Show that Patrick meme.
I know, right?
I'll show you what I mean right there.
I know what picture you're talking about. I've seen it.
Yeah.
That where's Patrick? It
Oh, yeah, I think
doesn't
you're
look-
right. Yeah. See, look, it was a 308. It was a 308.
Well, we can't tell right here because it doesn't have a name. Like, that could be a different caliber.
No, actually, I typed in 308. 25 rounds.
Yeah, but-
308, sling belt. 308.
Or let me try to open it. One second.
Smells good.
Oh, will it taste good?
Oh, obviously. Fucking it's Black Rifle Coffee Company. What do you think?
Black Rifle?
Yeah.
Could be anything.
Wee you.
Smells like Starbucks.
Oh, hell. Oh, fuck.
You're already feeling that shit, huh? Alright.
Ew.
Ew, what the fuck?
Check this out,
Show,
guys.
show that shit.
That is true.
Wee you.
Alright, let me show you
I
what.
don't know. I
Sure.
know.
The sleep is for the weak.
Trying this thing on.
What the fuck?
And I'm wearing a Smith & Wesson shirt right here. That to go along with my SD40VE that I recently got.
Yeah, sleeping. Oh no, not that one. No, sleep is for the weak. There you go. Here goes, right there.
I just changed it.
Over here, yes.
Which one?
That one, yes. Show him what I mean.
Alright, guys. Fuck, one's in this water. Fuck yeah. This is what he means by that.
Sleep is for the weak.
Sleep is for the weak.
Bap.
Fat people online.
What the fuck? What the
Who the fuck ever heard of Awoken Beauty? They back killing this guy. It's fucking stupid.
No mames.
This isn't a main review video. We're not Elon Musk.
Oh yeah?
Okay,
We
this is
will
what I
be.
think. This is what I think.
Oh yeah.
This is what I think. Oh, what he said, guys.
Elon Musk. If you're watching this,
Apparently he finally did a main review.
Who?
Guy.
alright, one more meme review. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fucking fun.
There's like water in here? No. You got me water tubs?
Yeah.
There should be some on the very bottom, on the board.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. Look, there's one that says good grief, and then the other one says yada 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 daze.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Rada Daze.
Right.
There's a fucking chowder one.
Oh my god. Oh.
Try to find a gym one.
Creme de la penis.
That's stupid.
Dude, try to find a gym one.
Gym one?
Alright, first try over here.
Okay. Oh.
With my Hero Association coffee mug.
Saitama.
There you go.
AKA Johnny Sins.
Who is that?
Oh, you will know later on.
There's a guy who was like accused for like Is he that one voice actor?
No.
Okay, never mind then.
No, that's Eric. No, that's not even that first name, Eric. Fuck, I don't even know anymore. Vic. There you go.
Dick.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot I put the higher one. Maybe someone in the foot. Let's see here.
Send nudes.
Wow. I'm gonna use this cool heart shaped spoon right here. It says a heap of love. Because coffee is love, is life, and coffee is love.
That's
That's set up, guys.
What?
Very much set up.
Cool. Damn, that shit's fucking.
Oh.
Let me get a taste now.
Oh, we need to replace the.
Oh yeah, that's true.
You want to do that?
Excuse me, what?
You want to do that?
What?
Just try not to bring yourself.
No, I got it.
Okay.
I know how to use this. So.
I'll dump this over here.
I'm gonna be a fucking a Trojan man.
Barista.
Trojan man.
Hey man.
T-man, what the heck? Where did E-man come from?
I don't know. You're saying.
Trojan man.
Yeah.
Condoms.
Oh. I have the power.
E-man.
Next round of Molon Kafe, I mean. Oh, damn it. Please, Spartan, for me, Joe, just stay up.
Huh?
I'm like, please, Spartan, for me, Joe, just stay still. Your bag is like fucking falling over.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do the larger one.
I'll just go half, right here. That way it's not too, fucking overflow.
Yeah, I mean, you can still do that shit. Baby turtles.
Turtle!
I like turtles.
Stupid as a.
Can you back me up? Mediku onegaishimasu.
Sure, Bill? Still got that hazelnut.
Yeah.
Oh, I got for hazelnut.
Why is this one staying here? This one is still working.
I don't know. Don't smell that shit.
Yep. Can you pack me the little one?
You know, that's history.
I think it is.
They call milk shopping.
There we go. Thank you.
Get some milk. Let's see how that tastes like.
Mega milk?
Moo milk.
Ooh.
Moo milk, what? Oh, Pokemon.
What?
Pokemon.
Oh, I thought you were talking about Blue Man.
Moon Man? Oh yeah, we haven't heard of Moon Man for a long ass time.
Go to McDonald's, it's the moon milk. Sponsored by Moon Man. Did you push it?
No, I didn't push it.
I cut that.
I need a spoon.
I already cut the deck.
I think this one, yeah, is a little bit better than the light one, than the Retro Joe.
Yeah.
You heard it?
Oh, wait, we didn't replace it.
You didn't replace that shit.
We change out the coffee. Change it out before we do anything else.
Oh my goodness. This tastes
Is it
so
good?
this tastes so fucking bomb.
Right? Yeah, cause I guess because it's stronger, it's better than the lighter one, the Retro Joe.
The fuck? But I still prefer French vanilla over hazelnut.
Oh, yeah. gonna get it next time.
Yeah, now I want some coffee tomorrow. Tom Daly, what the fuck?
Where? Oh, that guy.
The
Oh yeah. We got a letter with that magnet with all the numbers and shit.
Cool.
So I just prank called him.
Prank call Tom Daly.
Yeah.
He's the assemblyman. He used to be mayor of this city.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, but he's a liberal though.
Oh, never mind.
So get it. Suck these nuts. Told you, bring you cat. Oh yeah, that's right. You know, okay, pretty sure you guys, of course, Slipknot. All listen. You know, Chris Fenn is no longer in the band.
Oh, I already knew that.
I mean, that sucks though. I mean,
Who's that?
Chris Fenn, the long-nosed Pinocchio.
Okay.
Yeah, he left the band.
I think it was the guitarist.
No, he's the percussionist.
The drummer?
Yeah, with the trash cans. Yeah, I mean, supposedly, the rest of the band are not paying him over royalty. I mean, like, they're not giving him enough money for royalty issues. Oh, damn, dude. Oh shit! Looks like it just pooped right now.
I know, right? Now the turtle's like excited to fucking.
You want some coffee?
Like, look at him.
Oh, now it needs more water.
That's fine. I think we're done. There we go, Thomas.
Got some hazelnuts
Oh,
Or
yeah,
no.
hell yeah.
for these nuts. Got it, bro. My mom. What?
I hadn't seen that in a long time.
You know who else likes this stuff?
These nuts?
Not my
Shit.
mom.
That was too much, my bad.
You know who else likes coffee? My uncle John, but he's a mechanic. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
My uncle John, he's a mechanic. But do you know who else knows him? My mom. You think
There we go. I think that's all of them now. We tried Retro Joe, and we just tried Molon Kafe.
So
There you
out of all of them, like, what do you prefer? Which one would you drink more?
I think I will prefer this one because it's stronger. So like, it has more of a like
Heart attack.
taste rather than this one, which is lighter.
Stronger effect of diabetes.
I guess that's why I didn't like the Dunkin' Donuts one, and I like the medium roast Starbucks one more.
Especially diabetes.
Really? You don't like Dunkin' Donuts?
Guys,
No,
do
because
not
it's
go
like a
for
light
this.
roast, like,
Oh,
like
light
this one.
roast.
Yeah.
Don't.
Yeah, so this one, I feel this one's better. The Molon Kafe one. But I'm still gonna drink this though, just with it. And don't choke over there.
It's too fucking hot.
So yeah, so I'm excited for these. These were either way pretty good. I like the packaging though on this one. I like the AR-15s and the AR-10 on right on the side. I don't know if you can possibly. Here you go. You kind of see it.
I want some fucking bread. Let's get this bread.
Oh, baby. Oh, yeah.
I don't have any though.
That's some good shit, baby. I agree with this guy.
Yeah, me too. I mean, it reminds me of the shit.
And it reminds me of my old grandfather used to be the war.
Alright.
Strong in the chair.
Like this guy over here?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's the kind of coffee they used to drink back in the day.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, they just chilled rocking the chair.
They probably didn't even have chairs. They sat on the straight up dirt. It was all dirt over there.
Yeah.
Awesome. So yeah, big shout out to Brownells and Black Rifle Coffee Company for making this shit. This shit's fucking awesome.
We're not sponsored, sorry.
Obviously, but I'm just
Diabetes.
saying it because they're awesome. They're cool.
Diabetes, but delicious.
What the fuck?
Hey,
Not even.
hey, we still gotta make that one hot Cheeto
Oh, yeah,
video.
no, but...
I want to try that.
Alright,
with
I need to buy some of that.
Lucas and Chamoy.
Dude, I haven't tried this shit in the longest time. After
Let's make a remake. Let's make a remake of that video.
3 years later, still doing it. 3 years, like we'll put that special 3 years later. From the old one to the new one. Well, the old one where you used to have it, right?
Mhm.
Dude, you should put out a meme and put, how would it go like special 3 years later? And it's still doing it.
Alright, guys.
So yeah, this is it. So thanks for watching.
Deuces.
And we got, let's see, 1, 2, about 4 more episodes start up right now. So we're gonna see when we're gonna be able to work on those and upload them.
Yeah.
And I still have other videos I need to upload that are not part of the show.
Just do a little,
They're
a
like
little,
random videos.
I'm
a little cheer.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Yeah, ready?
What are we doing?
What?
1, 2, 3, kanpai. There we go.
I'm loyal to the British. This is not coffee. This is tea.
Wow.
I know Queen Elizabeth.
What the fuck?
Sayonara.
I'm Asian.